Viva market update. Just a quick update on the market. Update from Friday. Let's take a look at crypto fear greed index. People were getting very excited. Uh, the excitement came since Elon Musk took over Twitter. So people got really excited. If you guys were paying attention, you would have seen Dogecoin just exploded. So one would have that advised not time to buy Dogecoin. You had enough time to buy Dogecoin. So right now is not the time. So yeah. So we are right now at a 31. Yeah, it's still low, still pretty low, but that's pretty good. We've been pretty in the extreme fear. Right now we have fear, but this whole pump, that's if you watch the last video, the whole pump wasn't really a solid pump that you would get really excited. But people got really excited because of what happened, which is pretty good for the crypto market as well. But I would get more exciting when he announced something that has to do with the Dogecoin. So all the meme coins are gonna go crazy if he says anything about plans for a Dogecoin. But one thing that I seen it, Twitter is actually coming with something called a tile Twitter or Twitter tiles. It's something that will allow you to share and I think share or to post your NFT, which is pretty big as well. So, and I don't know if you'll be able to sell it or if you'll be able to transfer anything, but there's just something big, which means that Twitter is actually turning greenish, green towards crypto, which is very bullish for us. So props for Elon Musk. He's doing big things, and he's been hurting crypto. Last year, he hurt the crypto a lot. So now, since he's putting up some great work and some great excitement for the crypto market, so we'll like that. We'll like that. All right, so let's take a quick look on our our beautiful BTC. Last time were we were just looking at the trend line, see where it was. So we know the whole market is actually consolidating based on BTC analysis. We've been consolidated since June. Um, if you watched the last video, we went really in details on that. So just to recap a little bit. So we've been consolidated since the 13th of June. Up to now, we're still consolidating. So we've been bounced between 22 to 18,000, which is pretty cool. So last time I was telling you guys that I saw some forming. I saw a double top forming, and I wasn't really bullish because of that. So right over here is actually played out. The you know you can see in a daily time frame there's a double top beam form that is actually formed is actually played out perfectly right here. So like that, like that, like that, like that. So how low would it come down? Probably up to here, probably 19,000. Would it bounce back? Who knows? Um, okay, so and then I told you guys I was really looking forward for the weekly and monthly close because they were looking very bullish. So we're gonna take a look at that. It's pretty much we wanted to see on a 4 hour time frame just to see this double top here that played out right here. This is a very clear double top, and you can see it right over here, right here. Just to draw a better line right here. I think this is actually horrible. Hold on, let me yeah, right here. See, played it exactly almost exactly what we predicted, but he played it. He formed a double top, and he formed a double top, and here it is. So how far would it go? You know, looking maybe yeah, I'll say 19,000. Probably will come down to 19,000. But if I would be trading on that, which I was, so I'll be taking my profit at 20,000. I would have went for 19,000 because who knows? All right, so let's go to a weekly time frame and see how that candle actually closed. Let's see, because I was really looking forward to see that beautiful candle that was forming. All right, so let me just point it out what candle it was. It was this one. It was actually coming up in to become a very engulfing candle. So right now it didn't play out the candle that I was looking for, but it is still a pretty good engulfing candle. Still pretty good. So I um I wouldn't, this is something that I probably wouldn't get too exciting right now. It's just because I was looking, uh, the candle would be almost the same as this one, a hammer kind of candle. He was played out that way, but he didn't really play that way. So we'll see. I'll probably just wait. I'll probably just wait. Probably it will come and retest and just do that. Go and retest at 22 since we did form on a daily time frame. We in a 4 hour time frame, we formed a double top. So what I might be saying is it might just coming down to 18,000, retest that, and then just go down and try to retest the 22,000. So that might play it out on a lower time frame, which is a 4 hour or a 1 hour or even daily time frame. So uh, this was our candle that closed, and it kind of closed. I was expecting to be a beautiful hammer candle, but it never played out. Right now, we actually retracing back. Still have 6 days, so who knows how that will form. Who knows? It will probably just come in and kind of try to retest again 22. That might play it out as well. So we'll we'll keep it. We'll keep you posted. All right, let's take a look at monthly time frame to see as well. So in a monthly time frame, it will be closing in 6 hours now. It's still we're still an engulfing candle right here compared. We still have an engulfing candle, which is pretty good right here. This guy right there. So in a monthly time frame, we're still very good. Still good, but we're still in a bear market, guys. Don't assume this is just something that you want to jump in and start trading like we out of the bear market. We're still in the bear market. We're back in the daily time frame. So the double top is played out beautifully. So we'll see how far he retraces. But uh anything from now, we bad news are actually there's a new that came out just now that Europe inflation is very very high. We're gonna take a look at two articles that was published by the CNBC just I think an hour ago. So for BTC, this is it. I just wanted to update you guys how the weekly and uh, the monthly charts actually played out. We had a beautiful candle on the weekly day, but it didn't close as we wanted to be. But on the monthly, it's actually playing very very good, which is very interesting. If it closes an engulfing Canada the way I see it, we might would probably be pushing back up to 22,000. All right, so let's take a look at those two articles. The first one is Europe's zone inflation hits record high of 10.7% as growth slow sharply. So which means, guys, Europe is actually inflation is actually way higher. It's not way higher than the United States. It's just still the United States was at 9. It's actually declined a little bit to 8. So as you can see, is is higher than the US, which is I have a couple of videos that I talk about Europe economies. If you want to take a look at my channel, there's a couple videos there that I talked about. I even talked about just back in 2021. I keep saying the European Union, the economical system behind it is just a statue that is being built uh, on top of a plastic bag. So this is it. I mean, of course they won't let the whole thing just collapse. You know, they're just gonna print and do whatever it takes so the whole European economy doesn't collapse. But as so far, it is collapsing. People that do have investments right now in Europe and the countries, there's a video that I did. We actually touched a lot in the numbers where the countries that are actually in the worst in the red. You guys take a look at that video for those that invest in European. I mentioned what countries that are in the red, the countries that are about to collapse in Europe. So it's there. So take a look. So you can take that information and kind of prepare if you invest in Europe. It might be a good opportunity you to just take a look and see what comes out in the midst of this whole chaotic things. All right, so just gonna read here the key points. Preliminary that data on Monday from Europe's statistic office show a high line inflation came at it a annual 10.7 this month. This represents the highest ever monthly reading since the Eurozone formation. The 19th member bloc has faced higher prices, particularly on the energy, food, for the past 12 months. So for the whole year, they've been struggling with food and energy. But the increases have been accurate by the Russian invasion of Ukraine late February. So they keep blaming the whole invasion, Ukraine and Russia. All right. Anyway, so if you do want to read the whole thing, I'll leave a link below the video. So the next one is Europe market closed higher despite the inflation and GDP paint blink pictures up to 6% for October. Yeah, remember back in the pandemic when the whole stock market was just pushing all the way high, but the global economy was going down. So start taking a look, see the 30 day. So not gonna talk about more about that, but you gotta start seeing what how the market works. The markets are not they work different. They work different. That's just if you do want me to talk about that, why is the stock market is growing in Europe, but the whole European inflation is actually going higher. We can kind of make a video and talk about that. Okay, so don't forget to like, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll make another video to update you on a few projects on crypto. So leave your comment, your like, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. All right.